everyone, my name is Rochelle. I'm the Home Garden Program Manager at Verde, and I wanted to show you a quick demonstration as to how to put together your garden bed. So when you come to the finca to pick up your supplies, you're going to receive 2 ends, and then you're also going to receive 4 boards. And this is for a standard size. If you had a double high, then you would receive 3 boards for each side. So a total for this bed would be 4 side boards. So you're also going to need impact drill. So this is more powerful than the standard drill, so make sure that you have that or borrow it from a neighbor. And then we're also going to supply you with a pack of screws. So these screws are Phillip head screws, and you're going to put 2 in each side of each post. So let me show you. So when you're going to do your drilling, you're going to take 1 screw and you're going to put it in through here. Make sure that you have the post, the low end is going to be on the ground and the short end is going to be facing up. So we see this is flush with the ground. Make sure that's there. Then you're going to put your boards up. Usually we do 1 at a time, and you're going to want to screw in your screws at a diagonal, and this just creates more stability and strength to hold the board together. So each board is going to get 2 screws, and those screws are going to be diagonal. Okay, let's come over here and take a look at a finished bed. So this is a finished 2x4 bed. You can see we've got the diagonal screws going on here. And this is basically what your finished bed would look like if you had a 2x4. So I hope this is helpful. Thanks.